What's up? It's your girl Snuppy Sheek, and I am back with another video. Girl, who you thought you was? I was a good old model. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was a good old hair model for a second. But I'm back. Alright, so what's up? I'm back with another Outre wig, of course. Y'all know I really don't go online looking for specifically an Outre wig. I literally just want to look up nice looking wigs for affordable prices, and Outre just be giving the girls what they want. So we got another Outre wig. This is what they call a converti-cap wig. This is called Curly KO Doctor. The color is DR Shy Latte, and this is a part of, like I said, the converti-cap wig collection. So this girl sold me, the girl in the middle, like, period. So let me go ahead and open her up real quick. And if y'all wondering, yes, I got the same outfit on because I'm literally knocking this out in one day, okay? Because I know me, I'm not trying to disappear up on y'all, so, you know, I'm trying to have a schedule now. I'm trying to do what I need to do. You know, I'm trying to get my life together, period, okay? So oh, okay. It's not really what I was expecting. I guess it's like a, I guess this kind of reminds you of like a what they call it, y'all know the what's called a wig that you can wear your hair out with. So it has two adjustable straps, two combs on the side, one long comb in the front, a comb in the back, and I guess for a ponytail it also has the drawstring, which I'm going to tuck or whatever because I'm not going to use it. So this is what the curls are given. The color is I love it. I'm loving color, like I'm just loving it. So let me throw this on. Okay, let me pull some hair out first, then throw it on. I'm just gonna pull it out in the front. I'm hearing birds chirping this. Okay. Anyways, so let's go ahead. Throw her on. How she got a part down the middle with this wig? I don't understand that. Let me tuck that strap in the back. Put the comb in. Add the comb on the side. I'm glad that even with this color, like the color it has is dark on this in the beginning, because then it gives it so that I can, like, you know, pull my hair out in the front. So that's a good thing. Okay, now, okay, well, my hair covers it up fairly well. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but it definitely, I didn't even like really do anything. Let me calm down my little edges, you know what I'm saying? I love this hair color. And this is another one, summertime. It's very soft and it's very, very light. I can definitely see myself. I like to wear curly wigs to the side specifically. So that means I will have to get more hair out. Let me see. And the sides. Oh baby, yes, she's giving. She is. Do y'all see that color? Do y'all see that color? I keep looking up here, and I want y'all to excuse me because I'm getting used to having a viewfinder. So I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder, and I'm gonna get it together. But oh yeah, this is, did y'all see how quick I just transformed myself. Run that back, turbo. Did y'all just see how quick it took me to go ahead and just turn into a baddie real quick? I mean, granted, I already had my makeup and stuff done, but the hairstyle, baby, get up and go. Okay, it's not too long. It's not too much hair. I am living for this. Do you understand me? Your girl is living. I like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me show y'all the back real quick. Oh, baby. What? How much was this wig? I'll have it on the screen because, baby, I like her. Oh, I like her. Y'all know this summer I'm really trying to like turn up and have me a nice old, sorry, this summer I am trying to, you know, just kind of give y'all, give myself some good old, you know, just trying to go out and enjoy myself and not be so much of a mom, because I am a mom, but I take this mom stuff really serious and I'm gonna always take it serious, but I want to be free as well, you know, just with myself, just going out and just enjoying life and not being cooped up in the house all the time, especially since last year. I mean, I was pregnant last year, but I just want to enjoy life a lot more with me, my kids, my friends, my family. I just want to just enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? So these wigs, baby, your girl, this is a good start. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, your girl Simply Sheek is up out of the building. See ya.